Dyna, we are your trusted partner in delivering indoor air quality since 1982.
The ambient air outside in a typical city environment contains 35 million particles per cubic meter, corresponding to an ISO 9 cleanroom, which is at the lowest level of cleanroom standards. Dyna's cleanrooms show no ingress of dust, even in locations where the atmospheric temperature rises above 45 degrees Celsius. There are 4 specified requirements of a cleanroom. First and foremost, there should be no entry of the contaminants from outside to inside. Secondly, the equipment present inside a cleanroom should not be a source of dust or other contaminants due to friction, chemical, or biological reactions. Third, there should be no accumulation of contaminants in the room. And fourth, the contaminants originally present in the room should have been eliminated to the greatest extent. Dyna's cleanroom partition panels come in both progressive and non-progressive models. Progressive panels need minimal changes in future, whereas non-progressive panels allow easy installation and dismantling without disturbing other panels. Dyna's cleanroom panels come in galvanized iron, aluminium, and stainless steel, with options of Rockwool and PIR insulation. They are finished in epoxy or pure polyester. The ceiling panels are fastened to profile that are placed on an extruded aluminium grid matrix with silicone sealant. With a load-bearing capacity of 150 kg per meter square, every ceiling panel is manufactured and tested as per international regulations and test standards. With unique round corners facilitating easy installation, air leak is controlled with the use of premium quality silica gel. Dyna's cleanroom doors are fully flushed surfaces with wall partitions. The doors come with both single and double swing out configurations, or as horizontal sliding with manual, automatic, and semi-automatic configurations. Finished with a conveyorized powder coating facility, they come in pre-coated or powder-coated galvanized iron, aluminium, and stainless steel materials of construction with honeycomb, polyurethane foam, and Rockwool infill for insulation. Finished in epoxy or pure polyester coating, these doors facilitate the maintenance of class 100 to class 100,000 air quality, with Dyna's door interlocking system ensuring complete prevention of cross-contamination between two clean rooms of same or different air class. Dyna's cleanroom view panels are provided in both framed and frameless designs with single and double-sided window construction. The view panels facilitate easy interaction and viewing between clean corridor and clean room, and also between clean rooms of same or different air class. Dyna's return air risers are used to collect the atmospheric air inside the clean room in a controlled manner so as to maintain laminar airflow. Our pre-engineered modular cleanroom panel systems give a fast build and accurate installation, conforming to the latest good manufacturing practices where there is no edge or curve for dust to settle, thus maintaining the air quality that the cleanroom is designed to provide. With a high-capacity conveyorized automatic powder coating line that churns out 1500 square meters of panels per day, Dyna's cleanroom panels are waterproof, fire-safe, corrosion-proof, and chemical proof. Our panels are tested at our in-house test setup that includes sophisticated test equipments to facilitate dry film thickness test, cross-hatch adhesion test, conical mandrel bending test, and tubular impact test. They are used extensively in industries such as semiconductor manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, biotech, medical device and life sciences, as well as critical process manufacturing common in aerospace, optics, and Department of Energy. At Dyna, all our innovations are centered around building clean rooms that provide a sustainable clean air solution for all your critical manufacturing applications.